Welcome to a new era of aviation. Have you ever dreamed of flying from New York to London in just a few hours? Believe it or not, that dream is about to come true. Boom! Supersonic, an American aircraft company, is preparing for a supersonic flight in 2024 with the Concorde successor, Overture. But what makes Overture so special? And how will it change the world? In today's video, we'll explore the incredible technology behind Overture and why it's expected to be the quietest supersonic jet ever. Overture isn't just a huge technological leap, it's also the answer to the big problems that Concorde faced: deafening noise and expensive operating costs. But what might surprise you is that Overture is set to make supersonic flights accessible to more than just the super wealthy. Concorde was once the symbol of our supersonic dreams, cutting transatlantic flight time down to 3.5 hours. However, the infamous sonic boom and sky-high operating costs led to its retirement in 2003. Those lucky enough to fly on Concorde experienced something rare, traveling faster than the speed of sound, but it wasn't without its drawbacks. Boom Supersonic took a hard look at Concorde's biggest issues, noise and cost, and found better solutions with Overture. This isn't just a technological upgrade, it's a smarter approach. With an advanced design to minimize the sonic boom, Overture offers the chance for supersonic travel without the disruptive noise for people on the ground. This creates a quieter flying experience and could expand the market for supersonic travel. One big bonus with Overture is its use of sustainable aviation fuel, helping reduce both operating costs and environmental impact, making supersonic travel more feasible for everyday passengers. This is a huge step forward, not just for aviation technology, but also for sustainable thinking, opening the door to the future of supersonic air travel. I believe Overture has the potential to revolutionize the air travel industry, changing how we travel between major cities across the world. This could usher in a whole new era of aviation, where supersonic speeds become the norm, not just a luxury for the elite. So, what makes Overture quiet? And why do people call it the successor to Concorde, but without the noise? Imagine sitting on a plane that can take you from Los Angeles to Tokyo in just a few hours. Unlike Concorde, you won't have to deal with the loud sonic boom when the plane breaks the sound barrier. That's thanks to Overture's sonic thump technology, a breakthrough that significantly reduces noise when flying over densely populated areas. It's a major leap forward that Concorde never achieved. So, how exactly does Overture pull this off? Here are 3 points we think you'll want to know. Mach 1.7 speed. Double the speed, but way quieter. Overture will fly twice as fast as today's commercial planes, cutting the flight time from New York to London to under 4 hours. But more importantly, with its optimized design, it won't create the loud sonic boom like Concorde, making the journey much more pleasant. 100% sustainable fuel. A supersonic plane that's eco-friendly. One of Overture's key features is the use of sustainable aviation fuel, which not only helps cut down operating costs, but also reduces its environmental impact, making flights not just faster, but greener too. Cockpit and engine technology. Where does the future of aviation lie? Overture doesn't just stand out for its speed. It features a high-tech cockpit with large touchscreens and virtual reality support to help pilots land more accurately. New engine technology has been developed to enhance both efficiency and safety. Now let's dive deeper into each point. and you'll see why Overture is becoming the centerpiece of modern supersonic aviation. First, let's talk about Mach 1.7 speed. Overture will reach Mach 1.7, nearly twice as fast as regular commercial planes. What's truly special is that thanks to its sonic thump technology, the sound produced when the plane brakes, the sound barrier is reduced to a level almost inaudible to people on the ground. This is a huge difference from Concorde, which caused a massive sonic boom that was disruptive to those living near flight paths. This technology isn't just a breakthrough in aircraft design, it's changing the way we think about supersonic travel. One of Concorde's biggest limitations was that it couldn't fly over land without causing disruptions due to the sonic boom. Overture has solved this problem with a combination of advanced engineering and optimized acoustics. This creates an enormous opportunity for supersonic routes to become more common, no longer limited to oceanic routes like Concorde once was. The sonic thump is the key to opening a new era of quiet, efficient, and community-friendly supersonic flights. It makes me believe that Overture will not only change the way we travel, but also make supersonic aviation more accessible to a broader audience. Next is 100% sustainable fuel. Overture will be the first aircraft to run entirely on sustainable aviation fuel, SAF. This renewable fuel helps significantly reduce CO2 emissions and environmental impact. This is particularly important as the aviation industry faces increasing pressure to reduce its role in climate change. By using SAF, Overture not only ensures supersonic speed, but also pushes for a greener future in the industry. What I admire most about Overture is its vision for a sustainable future. Not only is it advancing in speed, but Boom Supersonic has woven environmental protection into its development plan. Switching to SAF is a bold but necessary move, especially given the current climate crisis. What's remarkable is that using sustainable fuel doesn't diminish the plane's performance, but rather represents a long-term leap forward in aviation. This could set a new standard for airlines in the future. The development and commercialization of SAF also open up huge opportunities for clean energy research and development in the aviation industry. The balance between speed and sustainability in Overture truly shows the superiority of this technology, and I believe it will become a popular choice in the near future as customers increasingly care about the environment and demand sustainable travel solutions. Next, let's talk about cockpit and engine technology. Overture's cockpit is equipped with advanced systems from Honeywell, including virtual reality, VR technology that supports pilots during takeoff and landing. This not only increases precision, but also improves visibility. In addition, the powerful and fuel-efficient Symphony engine, designed specifically for Overture, plays a critical role in making the aircraft operate more efficiently at a much lower cost compared to previous supersonic planes. I think the integration of virtual reality technology in Overture's cockpit isn't just a significant technological leap, but also a game-changer in terms of safety and functionality. Allowing pilots to land with precision, even in difficult conditions, is a huge plus. This technology not only reduces risks, but also expands the operational range of supersonic flights. Moreover, the Symphony engine is a perfect blend of power and efficiency, helping to minimize operating costs. This brings the dream of supersonic travel closer to reality, making it more affordable and viable for the commercial market. The combination of VR technology and advanced engines will create a flying experience that is both safe and fuel-efficient, making Overture a true game-changer in the world of supersonic aviation. So, is Overture the future of supersonic travel? The answer is yes. Overture not only solves the major issues of Concorde, but also promises to revolutionize the way we travel globally. Overture doesn't just replace Concorde, it sets a new standard for the aviation industry. With advanced technologies like sustainable fuel and noise reduction systems, it offers a supersonic flying experience that's both fast and environmentally friendly. Boom Supersonic plans to launch Overture's first supersonic flight in 2024, with hopes of making it a regular part of aviation by 2029. I believe Overture is not just the perfect successor to Concorde, but something even greater. The integration of cutting-edge, eco-friendly technology elevates the supersonic flying experience from a far-fetched dream to a reality. Flying from one continent to another in just a few hours with dramatically reduced noise will change how we travel. It will not only bring convenience to passengers, but also have a positive impact on the environment. The fact that Boom Supersonic plans to make these flights both feasible and widespread by 2029 is truly exciting. With Overture, aviation is stepping into a new era where supersonic flight is no longer just for the wealthy, but becomes a familiar part of everyday life. I believe the upcoming supersonic flights will mark a major shift in the future of aviation. If you're excited about the future of supersonic travel and want to stay up to date on breakthroughs in aviation technology, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss an update. We'll keep bringing you the latest news on groundbreaking projects like Overture.